gonna learn how to make this scrumptious chicken Alfredo recipe. Check out the recipe on my channel, AYESHA'S Unique Cuisines, and subscribe. Hello everyone, and welcome to AYESHA'S Unique Cuisines, Cuisine du Monde, a platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So my name is Chef Ayesha, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across the channel, you're most welcome, and you can support by subscribing, sharing the video with others. Today we're gonna make some classic Italian chicken Alfredo, and our ingredients: we need some butter, some chicken breast, you can use that, or the thighs, some garlic, some parsley. We need some pasta or spaghetti. We need some black pepper and some oil. We're gonna start off by cooking our spaghetti. Have some hot water on fire. I'm just gonna add some salt just to taste. Ensure that you don't break your spaghetti. Just put them in there like this. The brand I'm using, traditional spaghetti extra special. Using my fork, I'm just gonna gently put them in so that they all get in, and gently try and push them in like that without breaking them. Gently burn it in there like that. So we're going to cook. So whilst we're waiting for our spaghetti to get ready, we're gonna season our chicken. Just gonna add some salt to this, bit of black pepper, ground pepper, just a bit, pepper seasoning. Then we just gently mix everything together like so. Allow this to marinate for 30 minutes. I'm gonna set this aside. So guys, our spaghetti is ready. We want it too soft, so we're gonna just drain this and set it aside, and that commence with the rest of the recipe. I have a bit of oil on fire. I just want it to heat up. Although we're gonna saute our chicken so it's nice and done. You hear that lovely sizzle? It means we can pour our chicken in there. Saute this. Set the chicken aside. We're gonna work with our sauce now. 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow this to melt. It's gonna incorporate in a bit of oil as well, not too much. The oil has heated up. We're gonna go in with our brunoise sized onions. That way the onions get to melt and incorporate in the oil without necessarily visibly seeing it in your food. Saute this till it's nice and soft and translucent. I'm going with my garlic as well. Just incorporate this in, ensuring that it doesn't burn. Onions and garlic's looking. Gonna allow it to have some color. Then we'll add in the mushrooms. Guys, we're gonna go in with the mushrooms. Saute all this so the moisture from the mushroom is gone. Using mushroom, ensure that you don't wash it, because mushroom absorbs water, it absorbs moisture. So just use some nice baby wipe to clean it. Guys, I'm gonna season the mushrooms, and some black pepper.
AYESHA'S Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cared for. AYESHA'S Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cared for. AYESHA'S Unique Cuisines, you are what you eat. Eat
Reason
well,
for adding
live
mushroom is that
well.
the mushroom adds to the creaminess
AYESHA'S
of the sauce,
Cuisines.
which is required
AYESHA'S
in a
Cuisines. Come
special
on,
Alfredo
AYESHA'S
sauce or
Cuisines.
Alfredo
A
recipe,
place
which
where
will
your
thicken up
cooking is
guys a
a
bit,
cared
and then we're
for.
incorporating our
Aisha's
chicken and then our
Cuisines. Come
spike.
on, Aisha's
Guys, this is how it's
Cuisines. A
looking like.
place where your cooking is a cared for.
Coriander and parsley in here.
Aisha's Cuisines.
There.
You are what you eat.
Add in the
Eat
chicken.
well, live well. Aisha's
Put in our
Cuisines.
spike.
So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world.
Nicely
So if you
in.
like eating
I'm gonna
recipes
add the rest
across
of
the
our
globe, then this channel is for you. And you can support it by subscribing,
coriander and
liking,
parsley.
commenting, and
How
sharing.
creamy
That
this
way
looks. I hope you
YouTube
like the
get to
recipe. Don't
recommend
forget
my
to try it.
channel, and I
And
also
don't
get
forget to
to
share. Until
upload more
then,
videos.
it's a goodbye
Thank
from me
you.
to you. Bye.